Hello, friends. We are ready for Unit 5, Week 1, Day 1. All right. This week, our essential question is, how can we classify and categorize things into different groups? So we're going to be thinking about how we can classify and categorize things this week and reading all of our stories. All right, here is our first vocabulary word. This word is distinguish. Can you say that with me? Distinguish. To distinguish is to understand the difference between two or more people, animals, or things, right? So if we distinguish between animals, there are cats and there are dogs, right? They're the same because they both are animals. They have 4 legs, they have fur, right? But they're different because one's a cat and one's a dog. All right, our next vocabulary word is classify. Classify. To classify is to sort or decide what group something belongs in. So if we're looking at these pictures, we have an apple, a pear, a banana, and grapes. These are all what? Fruit, right? So we could classify them as being in the fruit family. All right, our next thing is you're going to tell me which word has the R sound. Here we go. Arm, aim. That's right, arm. Good job. Pat, part. Part has the R sound. J, jar. Jar has the R sound. March, make. March has the R sound. Art, 8. Art has the R sound. Head, hard. Hard has the R sound. Harp, hope. Harp has the R sound. Dark, dirt. Dark has the R sound. Good job. All right, last one. Cart, car. That's a tricky one, right? They both have the R sound. Cart, car. They both have the R sound. I tried to trick you. All right, so if you couldn't guess it, this week for phonics, we are going to be talking about AR. And AR says R. All right, so if we look at this, this is a picture of a car. So we could say R, car. All right, are you ready to tap some words out that have AR in them? What does AR say? R. All right, here we go. Let's get those lion paws out. Barn. Barn. Ard. Hard. Art. Part. Scarf. Scarf. Nice job. All right. I have some pictures and we need to figure out how to spell these words. Now, I'll give you a hint. They have the R in them. Are you ready? All right, let me insert a text box. Here we go. Okay, what is this first picture of? That is what? A picture of yarn. Let's tap it. Here we go. Yarn. Yarn. All right, my first sound is y. What says y? Y. My second sound is R. What says R? We learned it today. A-R. Good job. And my last sound is N. What says N? N. That is how we spell yarn. All right. Next one, let's look at our next picture. What is that a picture of? Heart. Now, this isn't like the heart in your chest. Harp. What? Silly Mrs. Sandoya. Harp. Oh my goodness. All right, harp. Here we go. Let's tap it out. Harp. What does it start with? H. Good job. What says R? A-R. R, and our last sound is P. What says P? P. H-A-R-P. Very good. All right, what's this next picture of? Oops. What's this next picture of? Right there. What is that? That is a barn. Let's tap it. B-R-N. Barn. All right, what's my first sound? B. B. My second sound is R. What says R? A-R. And my last sound is N. What says N? N. B-A-R-N spells barn. All right, our last picture. What is that? That is a car. Let's tap it. K-R. Car. All right, what letter does car start with? It says the K sound, right? But we know that car starts with a C. And R, what says R? A-R. C-A-R spells car. All right, our next thing that we're going to do is we're going to read some sentences today. Are you ready? A dog started to bark in the dark yard. Ooh, there's lots of R words in there. Let's read that again. A dog started to bark in the dark yard. Can you find one of those AR words? Started, bark, dark, and there's one more. Yard. Nice job. All right, let's move to our second sentence. Can a shark live in a barn on a farm? Let's do that again. Can a shark live in a barn on a farm? Do you see any AR words? Shark, barn, there's one more. Farm. Nice work. All right, we are ready for our last sentence. Clark will park his car in the backyard. All right, let's read that again. Clark will park his car in the backyard. What are the R words in this one? Clark, park, and car. There's one more. Backyard. Nice work. All right, today we are also going to introduce our new high frequency words. All right, this first one I think you might know. Let's see. Do you know it? This word is 4, like the number 4. Can you hold up 4 fingers with me? All right, let's spell it. We're going to skywrite it. Get 2 fingers out. Here we go. F-O-U-R. 4. All right, close your eyes. Let's skywrite it again. F-O-U-R. Did you spell it out loud with me? Can you think of a sentence using the number 4? I have 4 pencils. Can you think of one on your own? All right, here is our next word. Now it has the AR, and we learned the AR says R. Large. This is a soft G. Large. It says the J sound. This E doesn't say anything. All right, are you ready? Let's skywrite it. 2 fingers up. Here we go. Eyes open. Spell it out loud with me. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Nice work. Let's do eyes closed. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Nice work. All right, here is our next sight word. This sight word is none. Can you say it? None. All right, let's skywrite it. 2 fingers out. N-O-N-E. None. Close those eyes. Let's spell it and skywrite it. Say it with me and spell it with me. N-O-N-E. None. None. All right, I need a sentence for none. That's a hard one. I don't know. Can you think of one? He doesn't have none. All right, let's go to our next one. Only. Only. Can you say that with me? Only. All right, let's skywrite it. O-N-L-Y. Only. All right, eyes closed. O-N-L-Y. Only. I only have one pencil. Can you think of another sentence for only? All right, here's our next word. This one you should probably already know. This word is put. If we try to sound it out, it won't say that, right? This word is put. This is one you have to remember. All right, so let's skywrite it. P-U-T. Put. Nice work. Eyes closed. P-U-T. Put. I put the cup on the table. Can you think of a sentence for put? All right, here is our last sight word. This sight word is round. The table was round, right? All right, let's skywrite it. Here we go. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Close your eyes. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Nice work. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.